Lexus is potentially about to do the unthinkable with its next-generation LC flagship, replacing a beloved, naturally aspirated masterpiece with something few fans expected, and the speculative figures we've uncovered could polarize buyers immediately. But that's only part of the story. In the first few minutes, we'll reveal a surprising change in the side profile that completely resets the car's identity. A detail in the interior tech that suggests Lexus is moving in an entirely new direction. And a second-row feature that fundamentally alters what this grand tourer can achieve. We see an evolution of the signature spindle grille, now more seamlessly integrated and featuring a sophisticated, deep mesh texture. The lighting signature, an essential element of the LC's visual drama, appears refined, with complex L-shaped daytime running lights flowing into sharp aerodynamic channels. This is aggressive sculpting, but handled with confidence, not desperation. At first glance, this looks familiar, but one surprising detail changes everything. Here is where things become really interesting. Observe the profile. It appears longer, lower, and more focused on the grand touring than ever before. Rumors suggest the next-generation platform might stretch the wheelbase slightly to accommodate new powertrains. We also see ultra-slim, almost invisible camera-based mirrors and flush-mounted door handles, innovations that prioritize serene aerodynamic efficiency, and we predict this will divide opinion among traditional LC owners who value physical beauty over invisible tech. One detail many people will probably overlook, but we suspect it signals a fundamental change in how Lexus approaches aerodynamics on its flagship GT. Even the suggested multi-spoke wheel design hints at a sophisticated balance of comfort and performance, potentially moving away from the pure, almost industrial aggression of the previous V8 performance packages. Pattern interrupt question. For current luxury GT owners, is a vehicle with this level of sophisticated, quiet refinement more appealing than the raw emotion of the old car? We promised a controversial shift, and the rear design may be even more dramatic than the front. While the current LC is famous for its vertical, cascading light tunnels, these concept renderings suggest an entirely new aesthetic. A singular, sleek, horizontal LED light bar stretching the full width of the trunk. It's clean and modern, but it raises a critical question about the previous generation's signature identity. The biggest surprise might actually be right here though, and it's not the lights. Did you notice the absence of visible exhaust tips? What does that predict? Step inside the potential 2027 cabin, and the transformation continues. But Lexus may have saved the best feature for last. No, let's focus on the cockpit. While the previous LC interior was an artisanal triumph, this concept prediction suggests a hard pivot toward technology, replacing the flowing, driver-centric curves with a massive, sophisticated dual-screen digital layout. Lexus has been rapidly ditching its frustrating touchpad controller, and this is the likely solution. But for buyers aged 50 to 75 who value tactile quality, will this massive touch-heavy display be a feature or a frustration? We can expect semi-aniline leather of the highest order, but the visual language is undeniably more futuristic, less classically hand-stitched than we are used to. Here is where we get a true reward for continuing to watch. We previously speculated on what the rumored wheelbase stretch could provide. For the first time, this appears to be a true, functional 2+2 grand tourer with defined rear passenger accommodations, headrests, and intricate stitching, suggesting that Lexus wants this car to be a competitive alternative for long-range trips with more than 2 occupants. This is major new information, but that's only part of the story when we talk about functionality. Let's tackle the inevitable controversy. What's under the hood? The naturally aspirated 5.0-liter V8 that defines the current LC 500 is almost certainly on its deathbed. Industry trends, tightening emissions, and manufacturer direction leave little room for sentiment. We realistically predict the 2027 LC 500 will receive the powerhouse heart of the LX 600, the 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6, but here, paired with an advanced Lexus hybrid system. Specifications are purely speculative, but based on market expectations and performance benchmarks, we are looking at potential figures of 479 horsepower and 583 pound-foot of torque. Less horsepower than a high-end AMG GT, but vastly more torque where buyers actually use it. A standard RWD drivetrain with a 10-speed transmission is likely, but AWD is not off the table, perhaps as a performance hybrid option to compete directly with sophisticated competitors. Driving character reset. It's not about screaming to 7,000 RPM anymore. It's about seamless, effortless electric torque at 2,000 RPM. A true sophisticated GT experience. Pattern interrupt. Unexpected rumor. The wildest, most incredible rumor, though, persists. A high-performance, twin-turbo V8 hybrid, derived from racing, to launch a potential LCF or LFR Halo model.